Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will learn Quranic alphabets from Alif to Jim. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Alif, please read after me. Alif, 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 Alif. Our next letter is Ba. Please remember Ba has one dot below. Please read after me. Ba, 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 Ba. Please remember Ba has one dot below. Dots are very significant. Please remember Ba has one dot. Ba, 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 Ba. Our next letter is Ta. Please remember Ta has two dots on top. Please read after me. Ta, 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 Ta. Please remember Ta has two dots on top. Ta, 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 Ta. Our next letter is Tha. Tha has three dots on top. Please read after me. Tha, 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 Tha. Please remember Tha has three dots on top. And Sa has soft sound. Read Sa without whistle sound. Sa, 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 Sa. Our next letter is Jim. Please read after me. Jim, 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 Jim. Please remember, Jim has one dot in middle. Dots are very significant. Please remember, Jim has one dot. Jim, 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 Our today's lesson is completed. Now you please practice this lesson 3 times a day for 3 days, and we will learn our next lesson soon, inshallah. If you have any question regarding this lesson or previous lessons, please ask in comments section below, and we will give you quick answer, inshallah. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.